Welcome to Top Talk, where your English voice becomes your superpower. Today, we're not just learning English. We are learning how to connect, influence, inspire, and communicate with clarity, confidence, and impact. If you have ever felt like, I know the words, but I can't speak. My mind understands, but my mouth freezes. People don't take my English seriously. I forget everything when I start speaking. Then this video is made exactly for you. This is not just grammar, not just vocabulary. This is real communication training, from mindset to voice, from tone to confidence, from listening skills to storytelling. Get a notebook, get a pen, and get ready to speak the English that feels like you. Confident, capable, powerful. Let's begin. Keycap 1 Mindset. Your internal voice shapes your external voice. Before English comes out of your mouth, English happens in your mind. If your mind says, crossmark, people will laugh. Crossmark, let's just stay quiet. Crossmark, my English is terrible. Your voice will crack. Instead, train your mind to say, heavy check mark, I deserve to speak. Heavy check mark, I am learning and growing. Heavy check mark, my effort matters more than judgment. Mindset is your foundation. What you think becomes what you speak. What you speak becomes what you believe. What you believe becomes who you are. Brain daily internal English. Talk to yourself in English. Narrate your morning. Talk about your plans. Not perfect, just honest. Perfection comes later. Expression comes first. Keycap 2 Slow down and control the room with your pace. Fast English equals not confidence. Fast English equals nervous energy escaping. Confident English is steady. When you speak slowly, you sound sure. You sound trustworthy. You sound professional. Think of world leaders, TED speakers, CEOs. They don't rush. They command attention with calm speech. Your pause is your power. Try this. Say the sentence, I am here to learn, and I am here to grow. Now add breathing spaces between phrases. Your sentence becomes a message. Your message becomes an impact. Keycap 3 Speak to one person, always. Imagine the camera is your friend. Imagine the meeting room has only one listener. Imagine the internet is just one human in a chair. In communication, the world disappears. Only one person exists. Use you, not everyone. Use let's talk, not hi guys. You speak to a crowd by speaking to one heart at a time. Communication is not performance. It is connection. Keycap 4 Simplicity is not basic. It is brilliant. When you try to sound intelligent, you sound complicated. When you try to sound clear, you sound strong. Stop trying to impress with big words. Start trying to connect with simple words. Professional English is not. I would be immensely grateful for your cooperation in this regard. Professional English is. Thank you. I appreciate your help. Fluent English is not. Intricate vocabulary and elaborate sentence structures. Fluent English is. Clear ideas spoken with confidence. Simplicity is not weakness. Simplicity is leadership. Keycap 5 Warm up before you talk. Your mouth is a tool. Your voice is an instrument. Your breath is fuel. Just like a musician tunes the guitar, you tune your voice. Warm up routine. Deep breath in, slow breath out. Stretch jaw, release tension. Tongue twisters. Red leather, yellow leather. Unique New York, unique New York. Songs. Read one paragraph with over-clear pronunciation. You will feel your voice becoming sharp, open, confident. Keycap 6 Speak with stories, not statements. A story is a human tool. A story, heavy check mark, makes people feel. Heavy check mark makes people remember. Heavy check mark makes people relate. You don't need long stories. You need micro stories. Formula. Before challenge, action lesson. Example. Before, I was scared of speaking. My hand shook. Then I started speaking daily for 5 minutes. Now I feel confident. The lesson is consistency over fear. Your story makes your message real. 7. Listening. The most ignored speaking skill. You can't be a great speaker with weak listening. Communication is a circle, not a line. If you only speak, you are performing. If you speak after listening, you are connecting. Practice listening with. Tell me more. So what you mean is, I hear you. That makes sense. People don't remember what you say first. They remember how you made them feel first. Listening makes them feel respected. Respect makes them listen back. 8. Ask to confirm. It makes you professional. Clear communication is not speaking perfectly. Clear communication is checking understanding. Ask, did that make sense to you? Should I explain differently? Let me repeat that more clearly. This does not make you weak. This makes you a leader. Leaders check clarity. Followers assume clarity. Be the leader of your conversation. 9. Tone is your emotional language. Words are the body. Tone is the soul. Your tone decides. Trust, respect, connection, impact. One sentence. Many tones. Example, I need your help. Angry, I need your help. Weak, I need your help. Warm, I need your help. Confident, I need your help. Grateful, I need your help and I appreciate it. You choose the story your tone tells. 10. Silence fillers. Remove, replace with a breath, a pause, a smile. Silence is confidence. Silence means control. Every pause is a moment of respect for your own voice. 11. Questions that build connection. Most people talk to reply. Confident communicators talk to understand. Use questions that open hearts. What do you think? How do you feel about this? What would make this better? What did you mean when you said that? Questions show curiosity. Curiosity shows care. Care creates connection. 12. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is. The biggest mistake is not speaking. The second biggest mistake is stopping after the first mistake. You don't learn a bicycle by thinking. You learn it by falling. You don't learn English by correcting. You learn it by trying. Say, I may be wrong, but I will try. This is confidence beyond perfection. 13. The 3-second power pause. When emotions rise, intelligence drops. That's why we respond poorly in arguments, interviews, difficult questions, public speaking. Use the 3-second rule. Pause, breathe, respond. This keeps your voice calm and your message powerful. 14. Speak with destination. Before a sentence, ask, what is the goal? Do you want to inform, request, inspire, clarify, correct, apologize? The purpose changes the style. Purpose creates direction. Direction creates clarity. 15. End your sentences like a leader. Upward sound is a question. Downward sound is confidence. Try now. I believe this is important. I respect your opinion. I can help you with that. I understand your concern. Your voice becomes your authority. 16. Learn vocabulary like a human, not a dictionary. Stop memorizing random lists. Start learning situational English. Daily life. I'll handle it. Let me check and get back to you. Give me a moment. Workplaces. Let's discuss the next step. Can you clarify the deadline? I appreciate your patience. Friendships. I'm here for you. Take your time. I understand. This is how English becomes alive. 17. Be human, not perfect. Make mistakes. Laugh. Correct yourself. Try again. Perfection creates pressure. Authenticity creates connection. Your accent is not a problem. Your fear is. Your grammar is not your identity. Your honesty is. Communication is not performed. It is shared. 18. The 24-hour English rule. Every 24 hours, use English once. Not study. Not memorize. Not watch. Use. Speak to a person. Order in English. Record your voice. Explain your day in English. Practice one real situation. Daily usage, yearly intentions. Practice section. Repeat louder than your fear. I'm learning to speak confidently. My voice matters in this world. I'm here to connect, not to impress. Mistakes are my teachers. Every day, I am becoming fluent. I am proud of my journey. I will not stay silent. I will use my voice. Now, take 30 seconds. Introduce yourself. Don't stop. Don't judge. Speak. Your English does not define your intelligence. Your courage does. Your fluency does not define your worth. Your effort does. Confidence is not the absence of mistakes. Confidence is the decision to speak even with mistakes. If this lesson helped you, comment. I will use my voice. Subscribe to Top Talk for more guidance, motivation, and real tools to build powerful English communication. This is Top Talk, where your voice becomes your future. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing. I believe in you.